Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to our today's session. So if it's your first time, my name is Isa Ngoi. I am a Cisco, Microsoft, IBM instructor. And beside that, I'm also a lecturer in different universities. Today, we are going to start with our training. The name of our training is Numpy, right? Especially for those who are planning to become machine learning engineer, AI engineer, software developers, and many more. So this training is for you. It's very easy. What you need to do, you need only computer and the internet for now. So I will be sharing my screen and we are going to start. Remember to contact me. My WhatsApp number is there and my email address, right? So we are going to start. We are going to talk about NumPy. What is the document that I'm using? I'm just looking for my document. Yes. So now what is the document? Yes. Yeah. Right. So we're gonna talk about the introduction to NumPy. And what is NumPy? NumPy is just numerical Python. It's an abbreviation of numerical Python. So it's one of the most powerful and widely used Python libraries for numerical computing and data analysis. So NumPy means numerical Python. So it's Python that will be allowing you to do numerical calculations and data analysis, right? So NumPy, it's a library. Library means it's a set of code. So it's a set of code means like it's a program that comes with many smaller programs, right? So it's like a set of functions that will assist you when you are doing Python. And NumPy will allow you to do what? To analyze data and to do scientific or computing calculations, right? This is the meaning. So NumPy, this is Python library. So Python built-in functions that we can use to analyze data and to do scientific calculation or computing, right? So what you're gonna do, you go first to the internet. I'm gonna look for the online tool that will allow us to do what? To develop our programs. So we're gonna type here Google Colab, you just go there and you go here, right? So this is the online coding editor, right? So we're gonna use it for editing our code, for typing like our code, we're gonna use Google Colab, right? So you just go here. So from here now, what we're gonna do, because we are using NumPy, step number one, we need to install it. So I'm gonna say pip install NumPy, right? So I'm gonna let me use the lowercase pip or pipe NumPy, right? So this is the step number one, guys, that you need to do. You need to install the library. We are going to install it, right? And you click there. So you need to install NumPy, but most it's already there by default, right? You don't need to install it. Next time I'll show you how to verify, how to check, right? But for now, you need to understand that I need to install NumPy. I need to install Python library that we call NumPy. So it will show you that the installation is what? It's okay, right? Because the installation is okay, I can click on the new cell. You just go there, you click there. Now, we need to import NumPy, right? We need to bring it to our program. I'm gonna say like import NumPy as NP. So this one means what? This one means that we are importing. We did install it, but we need to use it now, like in our program. So we need to import it. So we are going to import NumPy. So bring NumPy, but you need to call it NP. It's just a short name. We're gonna call it NP. And you press enter. So from here, we can start our first program, right? So let me go first to my friend here. So as I said, we're talking about a library. Library means it's just a place where you can borrow written code. So NumPy is a library. means that it is a set of code where we can go and borrow, right? So we have Python. You want to use Python. You want to do scientific calculation or data analysis with Python. You can use the library called Numpy. Why? Because Numpy comes with what? Built-in functions, preset functions or preset programs that I can borrow to make my life easier, right? So that I can program fast and I can make my life easier. So I don't need to program everything. I can borrow some function, some code, some written program from Numpy. Understand? So Numpy is a library, it's a Python library where we can borrow pre-written codes, right? Now, how to do it? You need to install Numpy. Type install Numpy. After installing it, you need to import it. You need to bring it to your code. This is the import. You import Numpy as NP. The NP can change. Why we are saying that NP, we like a short name because every time we don't want to say Numpy, we can just say like NP, right? And we are using the online tool. I showed you the online tool. Just go to the internet here, right? Like I'm using, you just go to your Google, you type there Google Colab. This is the Google Colab. This is the online editing tool for coding, right? Especially Python and so on. So from here, you're going to take colab.research.google.com. You go there. This is where you are going to start your work, and you're going to say new notebook, right? And this is where you are going to start your coding. So understand. So as I said, step number 1, we need to install the library Numpy. So how to install it? I can say just type Numpy, right? And I'm gonna run it. And yeah, then you're saying too many sessions because it's already here. I already do it here. And now we're gonna import. Like after importing, we can do now few operations like creating a table, right? How can I create like a table? I can say a table 1 NP because I want NumPy. So I want to use a function from NumPy from NP, my function. Maybe it is the array, and I can put some numbers there, 3, 4 there. And from here, I can create another table that's going to be table 2. And there I can put some numbers there. Understand? So this is how to create 2 tables, but each table has what? 1 row or 1 line. And the second table also has only 1 line, right? So now what to do from here, right? So I can try to print. I can print like a table 1, and you're gonna click there and you can see. But I can try also to do the sum of those 2. So I can say here sum, or maybe, okay, just the sum, it's gonna be table 1 plus the table 2, and I can print the sum of it. I can remove the last one maybe. And I can just click there and you can see. So it will show me the sum of 2 tables, right? So the sum is 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus is 8, and so on. But I can also do what the difference, right? I can also do the difference of those 2. It's gonna be the table 1 plus the table 2, and here I can print the difference, right? But I can also do the like the multiplication, or I can call it like product there, and there also I can call it like product. And now you can see here. So the first one is the sum, the difference. Okay, it's showing me sum here. Oh, difference, I put plus. That was showing me the same. Yes. You can see here, this is the difference and this is the multiplication, right? So you can put some comments here. This is multiplication. Multiplication. This is what? The difference. The difference. What else? And this is the sum. Sum. And this one is a creation of the array, the same as this one. Right? Remember, those are just the comment. So we are putting like a comment, right? And here, this one is what? It's bringing what? Bringing NumPy like into my program, into my program using the shortcut NP, right? So this is the introduction to NumPy, right? So what I want you to do, you need to practice, right? So you can go, let me explain here because we're talking about NumPy. So NumPy, it's very good for data science, for artificial intelligence, for machine learning, for scientific computing, for data analysis, for computer vision, right? But why we need NumPy? We need it because some of the calculations are very fast. NumPy is very fast. And you work with arrays like tables and matrices, and you can analyze data like efficiently, and you can also use it for building AI machine learning applications. So NumPy will allow you to build AI and machine learning applications, and it's reducing the amount of code you write, right? So NumPy can reduce the amount of code you write. It can allow you to build AI and machine learning applications. It will allow you to analyze data efficiently. We spoke about how to install it. We spoke about how to import it, right? So this is our first session for NumPy, right? It's a training for only 10 videos. So when you will be done with the training, you will be getting your certification that shows that you did participate in our training. Thank you, and use my WhatsApp number if you want to join other training.